Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the 16th day of December 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today by myself and other traders live. So here it goes. The setup is as follows. The market's made a big move up. It's failed at these brick walls, and it's given us a very strong candle indicator on the way back down, saying go ahead and take this candle short, and we don't have really anything in the way until we get down to here. So this is a massive, massive trade. A really nice move up, failure. We see the failure and we get an indicator that says take this candle short. And we're looking over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere around 150 ticks long. So we're going to just use our 20s, 50s, and 100 targets. We'll de-risk the trade after 20s and we'll see how we go. All right, here it is, how it went down today. This we need a bit of a retrace. I want to do a market order. All right, there's the retrace. We'll put our trade right under the bottom of the seller candle there. And wait to get picked up. There you go. Boom. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs. Last major failure area, but we'll notice that we're going to de-risk this trade relatively quickly. So as soon as we get 20s taken out, our stop will come down to minus 18, which means we'll have 40 ticks worth of wiggle room for the market to move around on its way down to pay our second target. Here's the second retrace, which is never much fun, but does happen. All right, so the buyers have pushed up twice and failed. You know what we need to do? We need to go ahead and I want to speed this up, but I want to make sure our first contract gets taken out. And we'll make it 4 times. We can't be here all day. Buyers are trying again. Takes a, when you have a big move like this, it takes a while to get it to turn around and come down at you. So we're halfway through the candle. We still haven't had our first target taken out yet. All right, now watch what happens. So as this candle closes, it still can't get the 20-tick target out. So the buyers aren't able to do anything fancy here. So this is the last gasp. Okay, first target's out, stop comes down, and you see this next candle just blows through all the targets. It took a little bit of time. That whole candle, the buyers tried to go up and couldn't. They get a little small candle with the seller unclosed, and the next candle just blows down and takes it all out. Now, this is why we give this a little 20 ticks worth of room here, 18 ticks worth of room. It came back and took everybody out that moved their stop to +1, and now it's going to come all the way down and hit the 100. So when you leave that little bit of wiggle room, it really does help. So that trade took 7.5 minutes, just about, and was worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in 7.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com, SamuraiDayTrading.com. And we'll look forward to seeing you in one of the live trading rooms really, really soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.